Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not sitting in my chair today, someone else is sitting in my chair, and this is my younger sister. So I'll be beating her face today. As you can see, she's pretty excited, so and I'm also excited to beat her face. So starting with the eyes, I'm using the Juvia'S Please Concealer in the shade 13 as my base for the eyeshadow. Going in with the Juvia'S Please Zulu palette, I'm taking the purple shade in the palette and I'm packing that in the outer corner of her crease. So I actually didn't know I was going to post this video here on YouTube. I never knew it was going to make it to YouTube, so I actually didn't show any products. I actually did show some products, but I actually didn't show like the serious products, so I'm sorry about that anyways. So in the next video I'll try and do better, but yeah, just watch. This look is also inspired by Taylor Made Jane on Instagram. Shout out to her, she is fire. So this look is inspired by her, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm also going in with the pink shade from the same Zulu palette, and I'm also just packing that on the crease. This look is really simple. I think it's one of the simplest look I've done so far. So I'm just packing that on her crease and I'm blending it away. As right now I'm going back and forth with the shade, so I'm dipping my brush back into the purple color I used earlier on in the outer corner from the Zulu palette. I'm dipping my brush back in and onto the eyes. I need the purple to be as pigmented as it can be, and I'm also going to do that with the pink shade, and I'm also going to blend everything together so they all come out really nice. I really want to get to a point where I can really blend and nobody can see the lines in between. So that's the level I'm trying to be on, but for now this is all I think I could blend, and I think it came out pretty nice. So just blend it till you're satisfied with your work. Back in with exactly the same color I used on the lid under her lower lash area, I think, or waterline area. I really don't know what that is called, but I'm going back in under her lower lash area and then I'm applying it purple and pink, everything together. This is kind of giving me some mermaid Barbie vibes, but we like it, so that's what we are doing. Guys, we're already halfway through the other eyes, but for this other eyes, I started with a deep blue shade from my Blossom palette. I needed the purple to be really deep, and this kind of gave me what I wanted. So that's the only thing I changed in this other eye. So aside that, I went back with the other routine from the other eyes. So just watch this part without me interrupting you with my voice. So for this part, the most intriguing part I think that I like anyways, I went in with some random glitter and glitter glue and I just scattered the glitters around her eyes. So I'm going in with the Maybelline mascara, the Colourful mascara, I think, yep. and I'm just going to use that for our lashes. She actually has nice lashes already, so I'm grateful for that. And now I'm wiping off the excess and the fallout, and I'm also using a primer. This is from Zion Cosmetics, my oil block mattifier for her face. As you can see, I showed this foundation. Yay! At least the one product I showed. Going in with this Milani foundation. I'm going to use this for her face. She's in the shade 11, and this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And after the foundation routine, I'm going in with the Juvia'S Bliss concealer to highlight her face. Dusting off the excess from her face right now, and also I'll be going in with the Zulu palette eyeshadow, and I'll be using that as my blush, and also using the e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray to set her face. And guys, here is the final look. I think this look came out pretty nice, and I'm really happy. The rhinestones are random. I just got them from the market, and yeah, please ignore my shadow and everything, but thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends, comment, tell me what you like about this look, tell me what you do not like, tell me what I can improve upon, and tell me products I can use that you have used before and you think are really nice. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and bye.